Oh, 6 in the morning. It's 40 below out with 3 feet of snow. Alright, well, this video is going to be on the best battery for your spacecraft, or maybe even for your home. Let's see what we got here. Blue Planet Spacecraft Club. Technical, not technical. Okay, let's see what it says. Batteries today and tomorrow. Comparison of certain types. Okay. Least expensive for this application. Sealed from its many charge-discharge cycles. Maintains constant voltage long life. Maintains voltage long life. Least expensive for intermittent use. For continuous or high drain application. Useful where cost is not a factor. Long life. Maybe we'll take a look at that one. Useful where cost is not a factor. What do they use it in? Missiles, aircraft, satellites. Okay. And what is it? Silver zinc. Energy density of 230 watt hours per pound. Not as good as the lithium chloride or the lithium nickel, but they have a lot of heat. So maybe you could have a battery that operates at 518 degrees Fahrenheit in your spacecraft, but you might not want to. That's a little excessive. But I bet you silver zinc. To do some more research, I guess, eh? So the only where the cost is not a factor, that might be what you want. And it looks like the heat would be a little bit less. But if you can get some heat off your battery to kind of the heating part of the spacecraft, that would be what you might want here. So let's just take a look at what it says in the little book here. Okay. Electrochemical series of metals. An arrangement of metals in a series in such a manner that the most electrical positive is at one end and the most electronegative is at the other. It's your battery. The order of metals varies with the electrolyte in which the metals are tested. So in sulfuric acid, the best one is zinc. It's on the far left. And platinum. But silver's just 3 down. Platinum's pretty expensive. Silver's still fairly cheap at $61 an ounce. So in hydrochloric acid, zinc's the best. And antimony, but silver comes in second there. Antimony is a very toxic metal too, so you don't want to fart with antimony if you don't have to. And in caustic potash, zinc is the best and silver is the best. So if you were to have a zinc-silver battery, caustic potash would be your electrolyte. The electrochemistry, the branch of the science of electricity which treats of the influence of electricity in producing chemical changes. All electrochemical operations are performed either by the analytical property of the electrical energy when passed through an electrolyte, or by the heat which is produced when a current of electricity is passed through a conductor which is not an electrolyte. Well, spacecraft thought. Anyway, keep the fires burning. You guys all stay warm.